Is the Dyneata Cooling Ace really the next-gen portable AC that will save you from summer heat, or is it just another overhyped gadget? Let's break it down and the facts behind the ads and customer complaints. But before we begin, quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Now, the Dyneata Cooling Ace is marketed as a compact, high-powered portable AC using advanced evaporative cooling technology to rapidly cool rooms. Sounds impressive, but here's what's really happening behind the scenes. The product is sold on a site with no clear business credentials, no verified reviews, and no real company background. According to malware tips, the cooling claims are exaggerated, with no scientific proof or independent testing to back them up. Buyer reviews, where they exist, report loud operation, weak airflow, leaky tanks, and devices that stop working after a short time. Customers also complain about overcharging, no customer support, and impossible refunds. The site uses classic scam signals, fake discounts, countdown timers, and claims of used manufacturing with no verification. For the final verdict, the Dyneata Cooling Ace looks more like a classic dropship scam than a reliable cooling solution. If you're considering buying it, hit pause. You're likely better off going with established reviewed portable coolers that actually live up to their specs. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.